BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Microsoft is busy rolling out the second wave of new features for Windows 11 version 22H2 with the update KB5022913, and I'll leave a link to that video I did post earlier today in the description. Now, unfortunately, with a lot of the feature updates, and this one is no exception, we start getting the issues that start rolling in. And already there are a couple of issues. And the first is regarding the tab support and the Notepad, which was a new feature with tabs in the Notepad that rolled out in the update. And this was spotted by Rafael Rivera over on Twitter, a Windows enthusiast, who says Notepad shipped to production with a bug where closing one instance with Alt F and X keyboard shortcut results in all instances trying to close. So as an example, if we just open up some tabs and we drag one into another window and instance, now we have two windows open, and if you head over to your keyboard and try and close the one with Alt F and X, it closes both instances and both windows. So that can be a bit of a nuisance and an annoying bug, especially if you are doing a lot of work in Notepad with a couple of windows open. So that's the first bug, which we hope Microsoft sorts out sooner than later. Now, the next regarding the Windows Update 5022913 is Microsoft has actually acknowledged this next issue over on their known issues health dashboard, where certain apps, notably third-party apps like Explorer Patcher and Start All Back, if those are installed, it may mean that Windows 11 will not start. So after applying the update, if you have those third-party apps installed, you may find that, according to Microsoft, your system may not boot up. Now, heading over to that post by Microsoft, third-party UI customization apps might cause Windows to not start up. Last updated on the 28th, and that's exactly the same day yesterday in my region that Microsoft rolled out the Moment 2 update. And just to go through the description and the actual issue, Microsoft says after installing 5022913 or later updates, Windows devices with some third-party UI customization apps might not start up. These third-party apps might cause errors with Explorer.exe. That's basically the shell of the operating system that might repeat multiple times in a loop. The known affected third-party UI customization apps are, as mentioned, Explorer Patcher and Start All Back. These types of apps often use unsupported methods to achieve their customization, and as a result can have unintended results on your Windows device. So that's the issue, and that's what the problem is all about. Now, basically, the easy solution, as Microsoft recommends, and the workaround, uninstall any third-party UI customization apps before installing the Moment 2 update 5022913. So if you haven't installed it yet, then just take note of this video and obviously uninstall those apps before trying to update to Moment 2, as you may find after updating you will not be able to boot up, which is a bit of a headache. And they also carry on to say that you can obviously contact customer support for the developer of the app you are using. If you are using Start All Back, you might be able to prevent this issue by updating to the latest version 3.5.6 or later. So just take note of that. Next steps, Microsoft say they are investigating and will provide more info when it is available. So obviously no workaround yet, but the big one here is if you are going to install Moment 2 and you have any of those third-party apps installed on your device mentioned in this video, then just uninstall them just as a safety net before installing 5022913. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.